Welcome back to CAD Station. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this part using Solidworks 2022. So let's start our tutorial from the new part, and we are going to start from the front plane. Just make a rough sketch. And close it. Okay. Now, once done, find the midpoint of this one. Press the control, find the midpoint of this line and select the origin. Make the relation vertical. Next, this one and this one, it's going to be equal. And this one and this line, it's also going to be equal. Now, next is we are going to smart dimension. This is of 50 mm. This is 80 mm. And this is 8 mm. Let's say from here to here, it's also the 8 mm. And same 8 mm. Okay, now next is features extrude boss base. Select the mid plane and we are going to extrude up to 100 mm. Done. Select the face sketch and make a circle. This circle is going to be of 90 mm. That's much. Features extrude boss base and simply select the blind. This is going to be of 25 mm. And I want to make this circle cylinder till this face. So I have the option direction 2 and select here up to next. Done. Next is again select the top face, sketch, circle. One more time, this circle is going to be of 50 mm. Oh, okay, wait a minute, not the 50, it's 60 mm. Features extrude boss base. This is going to be of 40 mm and done. Next is select the face, sketch. Okay, one more thing. Let's first fillet this edges. So we will do two steps in a single step. So fillet this all edges of 10 mm. Now it's make our next step easy. Simply select the top face, sketch, make one at the center and find the center of these fillets and make the 4 circles. Okay, escape, select this 4 circle, make the relation equal, smart dimension. This is going to be of 10 mm. This circle is going to be of 35 mm and control 7 features. Extrude cut. We are going to cut through all and done. And here our model is ready, but one more thing is missing. That's for this front plane and select the line from the bottom, make a taper line till the wall, escape. The smart dimension from the point to the distance is 5 mm. From here to here, this distance is going to be 55 mm. Now next is features, control 7. Okay, control 7. Now we have a option that is rib. We are going to use this rib here. I have already selected the center one, mid line, both sides. The thickness is 10 mm, and it's this arrow is showing the extrude is going to be downward, and done. Next is simply mirror about the right plane, and features to mirror is the rib, and done. Here we need to change its appearance, and we have like this, and done. One more thing, one, two, three, four, and the five holes. These are going to be off, and done. Now here our model is ready. You can check it by turning it. Okay, right? Control 7 for isometric view. Now, I'm going to end this tutorial here. If you are new to CAD station, then subscribe it. And if you like the tutorial, then hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you.